Genesis of periodic classification. Classification of elements into groups and development of periodic law and periodic table are the consequence of systematizing the knowledge gained by a number of scientists through their observation and experiment. The German chemist John Duvenier in early 1830s was the first to consider the idea of trends among the properties of elements. By 1829, he noted a similarity among the physical and chemical properties of several groups of three elements that known triad. In each case, he noticed that the middle element of each of the triads had an atomic weight about halfway between the atomic weight of the other two. Table 3.1, we can know about him in table 3.1. Also, the properties of the middle elements were in between those of other two members since Duvenier. The periodic recurrence of property, this also did not attract much attraction. The the English chemist John Alexander Newland in 1865 propounded the law of octaves. He arranged the elements in increasing order of their atomic weight and noted that every eight element had properties similar to the first element. The relationship was just like every eight note that reassemble the first in octaves of music. Newland's law of octaves seems to be true only for elements up to calcium. It although his idea was not widely accepted at that time, he, for his work, was later awarded Davy Medal in 1887 by the Royal Society London. The periodic